After you've gone through and threaded, you want to look for things like crossed threads. So right here we have a crossed thread, and you can see that the threads can't move smoothly. Now that's not a big deal, but we do need to fix it. So I've undone my slip knot at the front. I'm finding the bundle of 4 where that cross is. This is the thread that's crossed, and I'm just going to actually rethread it through that slot so it goes over top of that white, and now our crossed thread is gone. So it's a super easy fix. I have another one back here. You can see the cross right in there. Let's just zoom right in on that. So you can see that this black thread is wrapping underneath of the white and it can't move freely. So we'll zoom back out. I'll undo that slip knot. I'll take that black thread and I can pull it right out of the slot in the front, or I can just raise it up above everything, thread it back through, and it will come out and there's no more cross. So just peek back through your work and make sure that you don't have any crosses. Remember to replace your slip knots. This is where it's most likely that you will drop your heddle as you try and reach in between the heddles to fix things.